So my name is Ildi and I am in Goa on the Varka beach. That's where we do our regular teacher training courses. And I would like to introduce our next teacher training course. So this course is called Kundalini Tantra Yoga. And why it is called Kundalini Tantra Yoga, we will explain all and everything about it. What is Kundalini, how to awaken your Kundalini, and what it means to practice yoga, and what is the difference between Tantra and yoga, and what are the similarities also between Tantra and yoga. And we will also take care of the chakra balancing aspects. So all of that will be taken care, as well as you will get a 200-hour Yoga Alliance accredited certificate as well. So as soon as you finish, you will be able to teach yoga. But this course is also led by Sri Vijayanand, who has been practicing yoga and Tantra, well, yoga from the age of 5. And he is a living yogi and living Tantra practitioner, because he is not just preaching what he is teaching, but he is living it. And this is the element in our teacher training course that is very unique. So you should take this opportunity to meet him in person and feel his magic.